Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. We're still giving you all the updates. Says coronavirus have taken over. Machelori at home at the lockdown 21 days. Abang baru bang bano do bo do bo onda gor ara bo mana suna lawo e bon ah mara bapungo si ayo arongo dangayo nera ko tambango ndi mafungo riba feit nomboro yo gonya nomboro no ba kurwa ni nyana pano ne rikomba ko nomboro ma kurwa rikomba zori samuno wabo zubora rikudwa ba zori number was sitting on 554. So from 554, Lala Musli Chicha is just 24 hours. Number in Ogonya, we're sitting at 709. Nusa kwamba zuri hapa ndoto ngari abataba ko togomrango raro nganda hezo mapungonda kona ndisinde ko says ngande moon my observation yori I think even the government is not playing that part yori ba blocking uradze ngandire ne aba writing or if no rally na test positive why bas nambe je family yote ba testa yote. Because if you look at this no rally muthu na kwama muti ayata mungwe mungwe ba tshi daba daka ini fezi aba bangwe nani na vhuḓivholothe. Why they don't try and check everyone, test everyone, screen everyone when in a worry you came contact with mara ayo ndi ayo zvinda kungoramba zoni zozori hotobipa man 709 zvinamba zoni arali basa to renga zvavo zvikhala mini na mini na zviḽiwa ai what hotobipa 21 days. It's a lot. So aba make sure kuna vamwe vane vangaona uri vakongozama uri vapushe vatuwe mahayani uri kupfesesa mafhungo avo uri vamwe avanazo zviḽiwa fo kana kuti vane va hand to mouth because nanga sedza ndona muthu u ḓi rengisela zwine rengisa zwone bondo ne wana u khou renga tshisevho ata mini hanefho. So if you fit 21 days u feel uri is best ndi hayani une na ḓi kona kanya na kamronya na bika. So ardivi vhathu vha kuzivhona nga nḓila iṅwevho fhedzi vhathu rina nḓila nnzhi dzine ra nga wana zwo ri a kona u afford ya kona u ṱhogomela vhana vhaṅwe vhane they're not privileged to that. So let's respect other people's decisions. Ndi zwone nga khombo of it's very dangerous. Yes, it's very dangerous. Those people just make sure they get tested. Ne ngadzini nga ḓo ndi duka ndi sona ndi ṅwana ndo manguni aba check www.vanrapradiostation.co.za vasongo hango subscribe no like no comment. Just channel ira ruwe no recono recommend ya kono uyantha una zwingi zwo rakho ḓo vhadzera zwone mara due to coronavirus we're not able to have umtsepe, we're not able to travel. So until then we're gonna wait and then we fucking blocked invade. Yes, everything is blocked, can't really do anything. Mara the work on the coronavirus have taken over. Please add it to comment, add it to sanitize. Holy shit, where's mine? See ya.